we have this interesting question from algebra today. Let's see how we can solve this. Here we are given three equations and we need to find the value of P times R times S. Yes. So let's name these equations as equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Okay. So let's start solving equation number 1. In equation number 1, we have 3 raised to power P plus 3 raised to power 4 is equals to 90. So we can solve it. 3 raised to power P, 3 raised to power 4 is 81. Okay. So we will be having 3 raised to power P. We will send 81 on the right side. We will get 9. And we can write 9 as 3 square. Now we will be using one exponent rule which says that whenever we have something like a raised to power m is equals to a raised to power n. That means when the bases are same and the powers are different but the terms are same, it means that powers will be equal to each other. Yes, whenever we have such a condition, the powers are equal to each other. So in this case, we will be having p equals to 2. P equals to 2. Okay. Now similarly, we will be solving second equation and third equation to find the value of R and S. So let's find the value of R and S. Second equation is 2 raised to power R plus 44 is equals to 76. If we solve this, we will get 2 raised to power R is equals to 32. Now, what is 32? 32 is nothing but 2 raised to power 5. As I told you in the first part, when the bases are same and the terms are equal, power should be equal to each other. That means R should be equals to 5. R should be equals to 5. Correct? Similarly, let's solve third equation. Third equation is 5 cube plus 6 raised to power s is equals to 1421. This gives us 125 plus 6 raised to power s is equals to 1421. This gives us 6 raised to power s is equals to 1296. We have sent 125 on the right side. So it will be subtracted from 1421. Correct. Now let's see how we can write 1296 in terms of power of 6. We can write 1296 as 6 raised to power 4. Now as we did in the first and second part, we will be doing the same thing here. S will be equals to 4. S will be equals to 4. Now we need to find the value of P times R times S. Yes. So let's find it out. P is 2, R is 5 times S. S is 4. So this gives us 40. So the final answer for P times R times S is 40. This will be our final answer.